Hey guys, so for this recipe for the tater tot casserole, we need a can of cream of mushroom, condensed soup, cream of chicken, tater tots. You'll just need 1 pound of ground beef and cheese, and of course salt and pepper to your liking and any spices that you like to your liking too. So the first thing I do is I'm going to preheat my oven to 425. Okay, so the first thing I do, you're haggling in the background, is we are going to brown our meat. So we're going to chop it up a little bit. And I have the eye on medium. So that's good for me. So we're going to let that cook on medium until it is done. Oh, and the oven's ready. Okay, now we are going to add our cream of mushroom. Alright, then we're going to add our cream of chicken. Alright, so now all we're going to do is combine all these together. You can always add onions, which I was going to, but then I forgot, and then it just wasn't a necessity for us. I just like to let that simmer just for a couple of minutes, probably about 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to put the casserole together. Okay, now we're going to add our meat mixture, and I already lined my pan with aluminum foil and spray. So you just kind of want to do like an even coat. Simple enough, right? We're going to go in with our tater tots. So I can spill these when I feel like I'm about to. Add all of your tater tots, all of them. This one trying to get away. Just make an even layer. You can do this with your hand, or my hands are clean and just wash them. Alright. And then the last thing we're going to do is you're going to add your cheese. And I have the finely shredded mild cheddar cheese. Add, I think I add the whole thing. I'm not sure. Yes. I'm going to add the whole bag of cheese. Again, spread it over, make an even layer. I like to cover it. Really cover this. Move this off the way. So you saw I covered it and I put it in the oven at 425, and we're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes I'll check on it and we'll see if it needs to be cooked anymore. Okay, this is it after 25 minutes. So I have removed the aluminum foil that was on top. I'm gonna put it back in the oven uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll check and see if it's ready then. Okay guys, it looks ready. All the cheese is melted and all the tater tots are cooked. So we're going to take it out of the oven now. Okay guys, so that is a finished product. This looks so good. It's only 2 o'clock and we're going to have an early dinner tonight. So I'm excited. It's already done. I don't have to do anything but reheat it when it's time to eat. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like these type of videos. Talk to you soon. Bye.